Yaniv Gabay here with Gabay Real Estate Professionals, and you're watching the Gabay Real Estate Professional Property Tour. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous apartment on Amantia Street. Amantia is a quiet street located in the heart of the German colony, just minutes away from Emek Rafaim and walking distance to the Kotel. This lovely apartment is located on the second floor. It's 75 square meters, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, plenty of light. It has incredible potential, and it's for a terrific price. For more information on why this property is perfect for you, call me at 052-614-1442 or email me at gabbay.yaniv@gmail.com. You can also check out some of our other exclusive properties by going to our website at www.gabbayrealestate.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.